Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from a wild Western Mongolia. This video starts right now. Let's go. Yes, guys, and welcome back to Western Mongolia. We have arrived. Check this out. Absolutely incredible nature, super wild out here. It is about a 2-hour drive where we are right now from Ulgi, which is the kind of main town or hub for this area of Western Mongolia, and that is quite a long ways from Ulaanbaatar, which is where we started our day today. We flew to Ulgi. It took just under 3 hours flight. The distance by land I think is 1,200 kilometers, so very, very far away, and we're just in an amazing area of the world, and this is super wild, wide open spaces, you know, beautiful mountains, amazing grazing farmland. This river coming through the valley just looks absolutely incredible. We're staying with a local Kazakh eagle hunting family. We're with them and their gurs, which is, it looks like kind of a late summer camp that they've set up here. And then we're also in kind of this strange like farming shed, very rustic accommodation, but the guys are liking it. It's definitely an adventure. This is a TRVL Photography adventure, the second one ever. I think a lot of you guys know that, but if you are new to the channel, running a small group tour company for photographers, and this is the second departure, and it is absolutely an adventure. So you're in for a treat in this one. We're going to spend the night here with the Kazakh eagle hunter family, and then tomorrow we're heading further into the wild towards Altai Bogd Taban National Park and the border with Russia and China. Guys, we just finished an absolutely incredible photo shoot with the local eagle hunter. This is the main man. Unfortunately, I can't remember his name. I'm failing with my Mongolian and Kazakh, but this is one of the Kazakh eagle hunters who's invited us to stay at his home. Absolutely incredible subject. Did a great job. Yeah, just perfect light. Really nice opportunity to have sort of a private photo shoot with the hunter here, and we're staying with his family at his camp, and it's just perfect. This is exactly the kind of photo opportunity that I'm trying to create, and that we are creating with TRVL Photography Adventures. So pretty awesome, and it's gonna say goodbye to today and get up tomorrow and head towards the national park. It's gonna be a long day driving, but the location is phenomenal. So yeah, stay with us. Lots more to see in this video. This is the ladies? Yep. Okay. Guys, we've made it to our camp here in Altai Tavan Bogs National Park in Mongolia. It is extremely remote, this location. We're very close to the ranger station here and only 4 miles from the Russian border, which is kind of crazy. It's in a very remote corner of Mongolia and Russia, and we're close to the border with China as well. So geographically, really, really interesting location. And there is a whole lot of nothing here, just wild, wild mountains. So we decided to go for a bit of a walk. And while we were scouting, I didn't have the vlogging camera, nor did I have my backpack and the Sony a7R5. And we came across an eagle. Check this out. Guys, I'm on my phone because we were doing a bit of a scout here for this evening's sunset mission and came across a golden eagle. And it is not tied up to anything. And this is incredible. We're super close. I just got a really good photo with my phone. And we believe it's been domesticated in the past, because there's no way, you know, a totally wild eagle would let us get this close to it, especially when it's on the ground. But they've obviously let it go free, and it must be in its habitat here. Oh, there she goes to the other rock. Maybe it's injured. I don't know. That looked pretty good flying, but wow. Yes, so naturally we headed back to the Gurs, got the equipment, got some of the crew, and we're gonna go back and get a nice photo of this beautiful eagle. And it is time for us to head back to the Gurs, get a bit of dinner, warm up a little bit. That eagle was absolutely incredible. Just an amazing animal, got some great photos, and really happy that the crew got to see that as well. That's the closest I've ever been to a wild eagle, and the fact we were there for about an hour is just amazing. But the light, unfortunately, is getting a little bit dull. A little bit of rain off in the distance there, back towards the glacier. So it's time for us to get warm in the Gurs, get some nice hot food, and then head up to the glacier tomorrow. So it's gonna be another awesome day in wild Western Mongolia. So I'll see you up at the glacier at the border of Russia and China. Good morning from the next day. We are up and early, as we do with landscape photography, and got a beautiful scene right here of these 5 Gurs leading down the valley. Nice soft sunrise light coming up, and no wind to speak of. It's probably about 2 degrees, so quite cold, but a really nice start to the day. And this is a great example of travel photography. So it's all in the name, but we've got you know, these amazing mountains surrounding us here. And there was great alpenglow on this mountain, this one of these main peaks back here, one of the Altai, it means 5 big peaks of Mongolia. And some of the guys in the group were saying this could be anywhere, you know, it could be in Nepal, could be in North America, it could be in the Andes, and there's no real sense of place. Whereas this photo here with your 5 Gurs, you know, some cows, you know, some just stuff flying around, and the beautiful scene in the background gives you that Central Asia vibe immediately. It gives you a sense of place, a sense of location. And for those who travel, and for people who love travel, you start to question, oh, where is that? You know, like maybe I've seen something like that before, or more interest in the landscape around the subject, which is the 5 gers. And from a composition standpoint, it's got a lot going for it. So very beautiful photo here this morning in this incredible part of Mongolia, the Wild West. And we are headed in this direction to the Altai Mountains, and hopefully some beautiful views today because the weather is on our side. Let's go. And we have made it to the lookout point of the Potone glacier here in far western Mongolia. Potone is named after a Russian scientist who worked in this area. And actually Russia is just over the other side of the peaks in the background, about maybe 5 to 10 kilometers away. And then on this side is China. China's just on the other side of those peaks. So we are really in the corner of Western Mongolia, and this is just a beautiful location at the base of this glacier. The glacier runs down into a very impressive river that flows its way back into the lowlands of these mountains. And it's perfect weather. As you can see, the crew is loving it. We're setting up to have lunch here. People are taking selfies, flying drones, getting time lapses, and just really enjoying the afternoon. So we're going to stay here until the evening and enjoy far western Mongolia. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of day once again, about 8 p.m. We've been up here for almost 8 hours. We arrived just after 12 o'clock and what a perfect place to spend the afternoon. We're getting a little bit of late color in the sky and really dramatic clouds up here at 3,100 meters above sea level, and just a stunning place to finish this video and say goodbye to you guys. And big shout out to our local guide Dashka, all the drivers and the crew that are helping us here, and of course all of the photographers who've joined the second ever TRVL photography adventure here in Mongolia. And yeah, here they are. This is our crew getting ready to go, and we are going to continue our adventures through this amazing country starting in the next video. So stay tuned as we continue to explore some of the wild parts of Western Mongolia, but this one specifically is really remote, a very unique destination with just China on this side of the mountains and Russia on this side, and here we are in the heart of Central Asia, and just an incredible landscape. So hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one right here in Mongolia.